Hello guys, welcome to Tech Learn It. So today we will start with a new command called match properties. Without taking much of your time, we will start our session. Its shortcut is MA. It's a pretty much advanced topic which will help you to reduce your time. And how it works is I already put the command MA. So there's one pick box, small pick box. What you need to do is, if you need to match the similar properties of one entity to another, you can use this command. Like I'll show you the simple example. If I need this dash line properties, if I need to put this dash line properties in this solid line, so what I need to do is, first I need to click on this dash line, then I need to click on this yellow line. So all the properties of this dashed line goes to this line, so both will become similar. Similarly, again I'll do MA, or you can put spacebar also. If I need this red box properties, I need this also red and box solid line, so I'll click this, press enter, so it will change like that. In the same way, you can change the hatching pattern also and lot more commands also. If I need this hatching pattern in this gravel one, so I'll put spacebar to repeat the command. I'll click on this and I'll click this. Okay, understood. So like that, if you don't want to use the keyboard, sometimes you feel lazy, so you can use your right click on the mouse. Okay, you can use your mouse also. Here it is repeat match property. You can click on it. It will repeat again. So I'll click on this, second click on this, and press enter. It's done. And you can do many times also. Like I'll repeat the command by spacebar. Click on this dash line. I'll click on this line. It's asking hatch or polyline. I'll put polyline. Okay. This line also all together. So this is how this match property works. It's very useful command. You don't need to draw anything again. You can just put the match property command. And please subscribe the channel, Tech Learn It, and like and share it. Thank you and have a nice day. Thanks for watching the video.